When weighing all the relevant facts and circumstances alluded to by the parties, the conclusion I have reached is that the trial must be adjourned to allow the reconsideration application submitted to the President of the SCA pursuant to the proviso to Section 17(2)(f) of the Superior Courts Act to be disposed of. Criminal trials are not generally adjourned sine die. There is no compelling reason why the present trial should be adjourned sine die. It is well overdue. As much as the interests of justice demand that Mr. Zuma's reconsideration application should be allowed to be disposed of, there is also the interest of justice that demand that litigation must reach finality. The future progress of the trial must be closely managed by appropriate judicial oversight. As soon as the decision of the President of the Supreme Court of Appeal is made and those proceedings are disposed of, the trial should proceed, absent any other compelling reason. The trial was adjourned on the 26th of October 2021 to the second and third terms of the 2022 court calendar of this court, commencing on 11 April 2022. In view of the delay which will result from the adjournment, provision must be made for the continuation of the trial also into the fourth term of this court's calendar. The following order is therefore granted. A. The trial is adjourned to 17 May 2022 as a holding date, pending the decision of the President of the Supreme Court of Appeal in respect of Mr. Zuma's application in terms of Section 17(2)(f) of the Superior Courts Act 10 of 2023. That more correctly should read in terms of the proviso to the section. B. The adjournment is granted on the basis that if the application in terms of Section 17(2)(f) of the Superior Courts Act has been disposed of by 17 May 2022, the trial shall resume at 10 o'clock on the 31st of May 2022 and shall continue thereafter for the remainder of the second, third and fourth terms of the 2022 court calendar of this court. C. If the reconsideration application has not been disposed of by the holding date, then a further holding date and date for the continuation of the trial shall be determined on the holding date. And then I've added, more particularly for your client, Mr. Roo, D. On the basis that the accused undertake to appear on 31 May 2022 or any subsequent date fixed for the resumption of the trial, Mr. Zuma and the representative of Thales are excused from attendance on the holding date and any subsequent holding date that may be fixed by the court. And that is the order.
As please the court, no?
As the court pleases, my lord.
Court will rise.